Hey there, smart explorers. Ready to soak up some sizzling S words? Let's scoop up 5 small but super cool stars from the dictionary sky. The image explains the word Sabbath as a special day to rest from work. It shows a boy relaxing in a chair with his eyes closed, helping kids understand that the Sabbath is a peaceful day to take a break. The image explains the word Sabbatical as a long break from work. It shows a teacher relaxing in a chair while 2 children are in class, helping kids understand that sabbatical means taking time off to rest. The image explains the word saboteur as someone who tries to break or stop things from working. It shows a man cutting a wire and 2 kids watching, helping children understand that a saboteur makes trouble by damaging things. The image explains the word sabre as a big sword with a curved blade. It shows a boy holding a saber, helping kids understand what a saber looks like and how it is used. The image explains the word sabotage as secretly breaking something on purpose. It shows a boy hiding and removing a robot's battery, helping kids understand that sabotage means trying to ruin something quietly. Spectacular work, word explorer. You've stacked up some shiny new S words. Now go sprinkle them into your day with style.
Don't forget to like, subscribe, and join our journey.